In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your tailgate handle. Let's get started. To start, I need to take off the 8 T30 screws or bolts that hold this piece in. There's 2 here, 2, 2, and 2. Remove this plastic piece, set it aside. Now you can also remove this metal cover, set this aside. Now with the cover out of here, you'll see these 2 11mm bolts that I spray down with some rust penetrant. Take these both out. Hold the handle from underneath. Pull the handle straight down. And there you have it. The way you have to pull it is basically just curve it like that, and it should pop right out. Now we have to take this lock out and transfer it into the new one. So I'm going to pull this out of here, push the lock through. Oh, there we go, pops out easily. On this new door handle, the clip comes already installed. You don't have to reuse your old one. So all you have to do is push the lock in, straight down. It'll only go on one way. This side will have a narrower tab. This side is going to be wider. All you have to do is press it straight down. Ensure that it locked in. You don't want this popping out through when you go to lock or unlock the tailgate. And there we go. Now we can install this. So put it down underneath and put it in the same way that the old one came out. You have to kind of swoop it up and over. And once you do, make sure you line up the studs. Put the 2 bolts back in. Try to center everything up so that the handle matches and lines up on the outside. Snug these up. Test the operation. That's perfect. If you need to adjust your rods, now's the time, but usually they should be fine. Now take this panel, slide it back into place, line up all the bolt holes, and for me, I have to put this bed liner back. Now use your T30, tighten up all 8 bolts that hold this piece on. There you have it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.